Okay guys, if you like smoothies and milkshakes, this magic bullet will make it a breeze for you to have one every single day. This one is the original magic bullet. It comes with a blender and some different blades. They also give you two different sized cups, a shorter one and a taller one. To attach the blade and cup is very easy. Just attach one of the blade options to one of the cups. The blade options and cups are all interchangeable as well. Just make sure when you insert them into the base that you line up the little plastic tabs so everything is secured before you plug it in. So today we're going to make a small smoothie with this magic bullet. The recipe is very simple, but you can of course add more ingredients if you prefer. The main ingredient for my smoothie today will be some frozen cherries. And then after that, we're going to add just a bit of OJ to give it some liquid to help the blending process. And if you want, you could also add some yogurt and honey to sweeten things up. Once you have all your ingredients in the cup, just attach one of the blades to the top, make sure it's tight, and then turn it upside down and insert it into the top of the base. Remember to make sure the tab is lined up and everything is secure. To power it on, all you need to do is plug it in and it will start to blend immediately. For this smoothie, all you really need is about 20 seconds. If you're using a larger cup with more ingredients, I would recommend to blend for a full minute. And here's our smoothie, and the best part is you can drink straight out from this cup and it sits nicely on the table surface as well. And then when you're done, a quick rinse by hand or in the dishwasher is all it takes to clean it. And don't forget guys, you can also use this magic bullet to grate cheese, chop vegetables, and make salsa and sauces. This magic bullet is compact but powerful and very versatile.